Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 7 English textbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 6, Hurt No Living Thing. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize literary techniques such as alliteration. In this lesson, we are going to read and learn the concept of alliteration. What is an alliteration? Here, alliteration is a figure of speech. जिस तरह के हमारे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच होते हैं, जैसे कि वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, नाउन, प्रेपोजिशन एक्सेट्रा. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच के बारे में हमने अपने प्रीवियस लेसन्स में भी बात की थी, तो मैं आपको एक दफा फिर से बता दूं फिगर ऑफ स्पीच क्या होते हैं. इट्स फॉर डेकोरेशन एंड टू मेक द राइटिंग्स इंटरेस्टिंग, द रिटन वर्क इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड वी यूज दैम इन नॉवेल्स एंड पोएट्री, in stories, to make the things interesting or to appeal and attract our readers. We can make the things or the events or the happenings imaginary, and almost we use it in fiction which is not based on reality, और नॉन फिक्शन क्या होती हैं जो कि रियलिटी पे बेस्ड होती हैं. फिक्शन में आपकी सारी फेरी टेल्स हो गई जिसमें मॉन्स्टर्स और फेरीज और विचेस का क्या होता है, जिक्र होता है. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट मेक अ सेंटेंस विदाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. और फिगर ऑफ स्पीच वी यूज फॉर डेकोरेशन, टू डेकोरेट आवर राइटिंग्स. इसमें हमने पिछले लेसन्स में सिमिलर डिस्कस की थी. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द alliteration. व्हाट इज एन alliteration? इट इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. Alliteration, it is a literary device in which a number of words having the same first consonant sound occur close together in a series. Alliteration वो figure of speech है, वो literary device है जो कि हम क्या करते हैं, a number of words having the same first consonant sound. Consonant sound जिनका जो first letter होता है, उनका जो sound होता है वो क्या होता है, same होता है. occur close together in a series. और एक ही sentence में जो है closely related होते हैं, close like one word after word, another word. Like this one, consider the following example of alliteration in poems. ये poems से ली गई हैं सारी alliteration की examples. Like 3 grey geese in a green field graze. अब consonant sound आपका क्या है, G का है इधर, and we have 4 sound of G here. The grey, the geese, the green, and the grazing. The sound of G can be heard in all the 4 words here. The grey, geese, green and grazing. So this is called alliteration. जब एक ही sound आपको one word after जो है सुनाई दे तो ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, alliteration होगा. Grey were the geese and green was the grazing. Again the sound of G here. And the second one is Betty Botter bought some butter. Betty Botter is a name. Bought is a verb here and butter is a noun here. So in all the words we can hear the sound of B here frequently. But she said the butter's bitter. Again the sound of B here can be heard frequently in this sentence. If I put it in my better, it will make my better better. Again the sound of B can be heard in this sentence. So this is called alliteration. Let me give you some more examples. The repetition of the same consonant sounds in a sequence of words, like usually at the beginning of the words. For example, descending dew drops. The sound of consonant D, descending, dew, and drops. The sound of D here. She sells seashells by the seashore. The sound of S here. She and the cells and the sea and the shells and the sea and the shore. The big black bug bit a big blue bear and the big blue bear bled blood. The sound of B here, the big, the black, the bug, the bit, the big blue bear, and the big blue bear bleed blood. So these are the examples of alliteration. Curious cat can catch a cold. The sound of C here. Curious cats can catch and the cold. Frogs frequently frost in fresh water. Frog frequently frolics in fresh. 11 elegant elephants and elderly elk. The sound of E here. 11 elegant elephant, elderly and elk. Will Walter wait for wonderful Wendy? The sound of W here. Will Walter wait, wonder, and the Wendy. German gentlemen generally give gems as gifts. The sound of G here. German gentlemen generally give gems and gifts. It can be both soft sound of G and the hard sound. These both sentences are alliterative because the same first letter of words G and B occurs close together and produces alliteration in the sentence. An important point to remember here is that alliteration does not depend on letters but on sounds. Alliteration क्या है? Sounds पे क्या है? Depend करता है letter के sounds पे. In our daily life, we notice alliteration in the names of different companies, people and characters. It makes a name catchy and easy to memorize. As I told you, we use figure of speech to make it catchy, appealing and attractive for the readers so they can enjoy. Consider the following examples of alliteration in names like Coca-Cola, William Wordsworth, Mickey Mouse. Coca-Cola is a drink, William Wordsworth is a poet, and the Mickey Mouse is a cartoon character here. Consider the following example of alliteration in tongue twisters. In tongue twisters, we can also hear, or we have an example of alliteration like how much wood would a wood chuck chuck. If a woodchuck would chuck wood, a woodchuck would chuck all the wood he could chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood. So, lot of sound of W here and the sound of chuck too, ch, digraph here, the consonant cluster we call it. So here the thing is to remember, alliteration is a figure of speech, a literary device which we use in poetry, in storybooks and novels to make the things interesting. And it is the repetition of the same sound in a sentence, in a paragraph or any story or in a poem. This is your home task. Add a word from the word box to create alliteration. The words are given for you. You have to put in these sentences to complete them. आपने क्या करना है? साउंड को देखना है. अगर F का साउंड है पूरे complete sentence में तो आपने वो वाला वर्ड यहाँ से यूज करना है जो F से स्टार्ट होता है. यहाँ पर आपने वो वर्ड चूज करना है जो कि S से स्टार्ट होता है, यहाँ पर M से, यहाँ पर A से, यहाँ पर D से. आपने जो है वर्ड्स देखने के मोस्टली जो है वर्ड कौन सा लेटर से और कौन सा साउंड प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, कौन सा कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है जो कि फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज हुआ है. तो आपने वही वाला वर्ड इस वर्ड बैंक से चूज करना और इसमें पुट करके इसको कंप्लीट करना है. अगेन इन द 6th one you have to choose the word with the F sound, and in this one the last one is the S. Till next lesson, Allah Hafiz and thank you.